Hello guys, good morning. Surprisingly leo tunaona we are starting our video on the way, which means today we are traveling to somewhere. Probably tunaelekea at Iveti Hills, hills found in Machakos County, zenye ni one of the hills that surrounds Machakos and Machakos town. So guys, as I have been promising to take you to different parts, today we are going to those hills or that hill, whereby we are going to see different things found in that hill, like different tree species, different creatures, and anything else that might be there, guys. So, Iveti Hills is one of the tallest or the highest mountain hills in Ukambani. It's the tallest hill in Machakos County and in eastern part of Kenya. So guys, here we are, tumeshafika, and we have to go inside deeper and deeper into the forest so that we see ndani kuna nini and what is there, what's found inside Iveti Hills. So guys, tumeanza kutembea ndani kwa msitu wa Iveti Hills, and as you can see, the forest inside the forest is somehow thick. And if you have noticed, is that in this forest there is no underground growth like grass. Only thing that's found here is just bushes which are growing under the long tall trees. There are also streams inside the hill,